The Hercules beetle, also known as Dynastes Hercules, is one of the largest and most impressive beetles in the world. It belongs to the family Scarabaeidae, which includes other well-known beetles like dung beetles and rhinoceros beetles. The species is named after the mythological Greek hero, Hercules, due to its enormous size and incredible strength. Physical appearance. The Hercules beetle showcases remarkable sexual dimorphism, with males being much larger than females. Males typically range from 6.4 to 17 centimeters in length, while females are generally smaller, measuring around 3.8 to 6.9 centimeters. Their body shape is robust and compact, and they have a distinctive horn-like projection on their head, which is one of their most striking features. Coloration. Their exoskeleton varies in color, ranging from dark brown to black, with a glossy appearance. Some individuals may have additional markings, such as white spots or stripes, which can vary among different subspecies and populations. Antennae. Like other beetles, the Hercules beetle has a pair of long, segmented antennae that they use to sense their environment and locate potential mates. Horn. The most distinguishing feature of the Hercules beetle is the large, curved horns that extend from the male's head. These horns can vary significantly in size and shape among different individuals and species. In males, the head is adorned with a long central horn and two shorter, curved horns on each side, resembling the legendary hero's iconic appearance. Females, on the other hand, possess a less conspicuous and shorter horn or none at all. Pronotum. The pronotum, the shield-like plate covering the thorax, is another prominent feature of the Hercules beetle. In males, the pronotum often extends over the head and horn, adding to their impressive appearance. Habitat. Hercules beetles are native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, including countries such as Mexico, Venezuela, Suriname, Bolivia, and Brazil. These insects primarily inhabit rainforests, tropical jungles, and other lush, vegetated areas where they can find ample sources of food and shelter. Life cycle. The life cycle of Hercules beetles typically consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The eggs are laid by females in decaying wood or soil, where they hatch into white, C-shaped larvae, commonly known as grubs. The larval stage can last for several months to a few years, depending on environmental conditions and the availability of food. During this period, the larvae feed voraciously on decaying organic matter, aiding in the recycling of nutrients within their ecosystem. Upon reaching maturity, the larvae form a pupa within a protective cocoon made from soil and wood particles. Inside the pupa, metamorphosis takes place, and the adult beetle gradually develops. After the transformation is complete, the fully formed Hercules beetle emerges from the pupal case. Behavior and diet. The Hercules beetle is primarily nocturnal, with most of its activities occurring during the nighttime. Due to their large size, they are not particularly agile flyers and tend to fly in a somewhat erratic manner. However, their wings are not necessary for their survival and are mostly used for finding mates and dispersing to new areas. As larvae, Hercules beetles have a diet primarily composed of decaying wood and plant matter. They play an essential role in the ecosystem by aiding in the decomposition process and recycling nutrients. Adult beetles, on the other hand, do not feed extensively and rely on the energy reserves accumulated during their larval stage. Mating and reproduction. Mating in Hercules beetles typically occurs during the rainy season when environmental conditions are favorable. Males use their impressive horns to engage in combat with rival males over access to females. The battles involve pushing and wrestling, with the aim of flipping the opponent onto its back. The victor establishes dominance and gains the opportunity to mate with receptive females. Once a female is fertilized, she seeks out a suitable location to lay her eggs, usually in decaying logs or the soil. Females may lay multiple clutches of eggs during their reproductive period. Strength and adaptations. the Hercules beetle is renowned for its extraordinary strength. Its horn-like projections, which differ in size and shape between males and females, are not used for combat but instead serve as a mechanism for intraspecific competition and mate selection. Male Hercules beetles engage in wrestling contests using their horns to establish dominance and secure mating opportunities. Furthermore, these beetles have developed several adaptations to their environment. Their tough exoskeleton provides protection from potential predators, while their colors and patterns help them blend into their surroundings, making them difficult to spot in the dense foliage of the rainforest. Conservation status. The Hercules beetle and its various species face threats due to habitat loss, deforestation, and the illegal pet trade. Additionally, the introduction of invasive species can negatively impact their populations. While some species may be relatively abundant in certain regions, others are considered vulnerable or endangered. Conservation efforts and responsible insect keeping practices are essential to ensure the survival of these fascinating creatures. Overall, the Hercules beetle is a fascinating and iconic insect known for its remarkable size, horn, and strength. Its presence in tropical rainforests plays a vital role in nutrient cycling, making it an essential component of its ecosystem. However, like many other species, these beetles face challenges due to human activities, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival for future generations to appreciate and admire. Thank you for watching. We hope you know a lot about Hercules beetle. We appreciate your concern for animals and the environment. Saving animals and protecting their habitats is crucial for the well-being of our planet.